Hey there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today, we are tackling a common issue many iPhone users face: Bluetooth connectivity problems. Whether you are having trouble connecting your AirPods, car stereo, or any other Bluetooth device, we've got you covered with some easy troubleshooting steps, so let us dive right in. First, let us go over some basic steps to ensure your Bluetooth is turned on and your devices are discoverable. Step 1. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure the toggle switch is turned on. You should see a list of available devices to connect to. If your Bluetooth is already enabled and you are still having trouble, let us move on to the next step. Step 2. Restart Bluetooth and your devices. Turn off Bluetooth by toggling the switch off in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Then restart your iPhone by holding down the power button and swiping to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on and enable Bluetooth again. Also, restart the Bluetooth device you are trying to connect to. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Step 3. Forget the device and reconnect. If restarting didn't work, try forgetting the Bluetooth device and reconnecting. In the Bluetooth settings, find the device you are having trouble with and tap the eye icon next to it. Then select Forget this device. After forgetting this device, try reconnecting by selecting it from the list of available devices. Step 4. Reset network settings. If you are still facing issues, resetting your network settings might help. Go to Settings, tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so make sure you have those handy before proceeding. Confirm the reset and wait for your iPhone to restart. After the restart, enable Bluetooth and try connecting your device again. Step 5. Update iOS. Another potential solution is to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve connectivity issues. Go to Settings, tap on General, and select Software Update. If there is an update available, download and install it. Step 6. Interference and distance. Bluetooth connectivity can be affected by interference and distance. Make sure your iPhone and the Bluetooth device are within a reasonable range and free from obstacles like walls or other electronic devices that might cause interference. Try moving closer to the Bluetooth device and see if that resolves the issue. Number 7. Contact Apple support. If you have tried all these steps and you are still experiencing issues, it might be time to contact Apple support. There could be a hardware issue with your iPhone or the Bluetooth device. You can reach out to Apple support through the Apple Support app or visiting an Apple store for further assistance. To recap, here are the steps to troubleshoot Bluetooth connectivity problems on your iPhone. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Restart your devices. Forget and reconnect the device. Reset network settings. Update iOS. Check for interference and distance. And contact Apple support if needed. We hope these tips help you resolve any Bluetooth issues you are facing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment between any other tech problems you'd like us to cover. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.